we working towards? What's our outcome? So every section, every step of the way, we've had an outcome, you know, whether it was the outline, whether it was the draft, whether it was the physical copy. Now, what were our outcome here? You're working towards a marketing plan, not a marketing disaster. So I suggest that you create campaigns, short campaigns. They are not random, they are organized. This is what I'm going to do, and you select 1 or 2 tactics, not all of them all at once, 1 or 2 tactics that you feel comfortable doing, and that you know that with a little bit of help you can get done. So one of my biggest thing, you've put all this effort into writing the book and creating the book. You've maybe paid for a cover, you've invested time and money. Now is not the time to step back and just wait for things to happen. You may need to get help at this point. You may need to assign responsibility. It may be that it's not just you that does the marketing. So don't be random. Don't consider it's just you. You might need to ask partners to share. You might need to ask friends. You know, like, I'm not saying you have to pay for it, but you assign responsibilities to other people. And you make sure that every asset that you create, every marketing asset that you create, is reusable. So this is what you should be working towards here, is a campaign with assigned responsibilities and marketing assets. You can do this in a Kanban. You can, you know, like jobs and tasks and who's doing it. You can do it as a spreadsheet. You can do it as just a series of post-it notes on your wall. You can do it however you want, but have a plan. And be constraints. Constraints are good for you. Boundaries are essential. You could do 1 million marketing things for the book. You could do 1 billion. You could only do marketing for the book for the next 6 months and still not have done all the marketing things that are possible to do. So you have to make decisions. You have to put constraints on it. So maybe those constraints are time. Maybe those constraints are budget. Maybe those constraints are who you want to work with and who you want to do partnerships with, but you need to constrain it. Now, all of that about constraints, one of the things I'm talking frequently with my clients is at the moment is most of the things that we're talking about in here will probably be outside of your comfort zone. So, and they might be really far outside your comfort zone. So my suggestion is, rather than throw yourself outside your comfort zone and feel really uncomfortable and maybe not get it done,